How to return item to ASOS. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to return item to ASOS. So what you need is actually, all you have to do is go to the home page, open up ASOS app onto your device, after which you want to tap the menu from the top left hand side corner of the screen. From the list, you want to go to My Account. As you go to My Account, you want to go to My Order. Here, you want to find or locate the specific or an active order that you would like to return. Then you just want to make sure to go ahead and select the return option if it is available. You could find the return option if available and just tap open that up or click onto it, and you could just go ahead and give a reason for returning. You have to make sure to meet the necessary requirement, like the particular product has to be unworn or maybe unused, something like that. So you can just go to the guiding policies, all that, and you will receive a QR code by email in the My Return section. And you have to place item in any secure packaging. Reusing old bags is fine as well. You could take the package to the drop-off point and present your QR code to be scanned. And this is how you're supposed to return item to ASOS. That is how you can do for a free return process. And with that being said, if you've completed our steps, thank you for watching. See you in the next video.